Hey guys. Oh great, I gotta do my intro again. Hey guys, SnowFan1 here. And today I'm going to Subway by myself because my parents are doing shopping and they allowed me to go by myself as long as I don't do anything stupid. But I decided to vlog this, and I will upload my what's that called again? My Target load that I got from Target. My Target haul, sorry, not Target load. That sounds wrong. But anyways, so yeah guys, it's nice and beautiful today. So yeah, I have to grab my food and then head straight back to the car. This is very nice for vlog content. But there is a little fountain that I want to show you guys. The lovely Kona. There's fire, and there's something here. There's a fountain, a lovely fountain, and here is the lovely Subway. Oh, are they closed? Well, it turns out they're closed, so I guess I gotta go eat somewhere else. Crap. So I'm going back because I think I was acting dumb for a bit because I realized that the door said pull instead of push. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna eat outside for a bit because I'm a bit tired. So yeah. This is the life. Alright, let's get moving. They are cats. Cats. Oh. Okay. Good thing I unlocked the door. Alright. Alright, so I'm inside my car. So basically what I got from Target today was the Vickerstown Bridge. Thomas and Friends. Vickerstown Bridge with Thomas and Skiff. So yeah. Then I got a few more items. Well, 4 more items. This was all like $100 something. Thomas, Safari Thomas, Safari Percy, Safari James, and the Celebration Thomas. So that's all I got. So yep, this is the end of my vlog. Sorry if it was short, I got tired. And there's a little freaking monkey that Sophie bought. So anyways, yeah guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if Harley and Michael, if you're watching this, we're coming to you live. Well, I hope I see you. So yeah, please have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.